there's 6 ways rental properties make you money. First one is cash flow, the passive income that you make every single month that puts money into your pocket. Now, when I first started investing, I wanted to become successfully unemployed. Like my brand, I love the term successfully unemployed, because I found a way to make money to provide for myself and my family without working that dead-end job or that just overbooked job. So the cash flow, passive income, you calculate all your expenses, and then you make sure that you could rent it for $250. My suggestion, a minimum of $250 or more in passive income from every property. And that's passive income, that's cash flow. Second way is equity capture. You make money when you buy the property. You realize it when you sell it, but I'm not going to sell these properties. I'm literally going to give these properties to my kids. But when we buy the property, we're going to make sure that we capture equity. We're investors. We want to pay at most 80% to the market value. So if it's worth $100,000, we're going to buy it for $80,000 or do our best to buy it. So we're capturing equity 20% right when we buy it. And this will be used in the future, which in what we're going to be talking about, how to actually refinance and scale your business. Now, forced depreciation. When you fix up the property, you put money into the property. Let's say you put $5,000 into it to make it better, make it a nicer property, then hopefully it'll appreciate and the appraisal value will go up $10,000 or $15,000. So $5,000 to fix it up. Let's say it's appraised for $15,000 more, then you captured $10,000 in forced depreciation. Next one would be market appreciation. We know over time, values go up. In fact, if you would have bought when I did in 2006, 7, 8, when the crash happened, when the crash happened, the values of my homes cut in half. But I was investing for passive income. So I didn't care, because I make money if the market goes up, down, or sideways, because I make sure that I'm making money in passive income. Now, the market appreciation, now I'm so glad that I kept those houses instead of foreclosing on them or something, because now they're double or triple how much I bought them for back then. So market appreciation over time goes up. Mortgage buy down. I love this one. Your tenants pay down your mortgage for you. If you buy a house for $200,000, you put a down payment. Well, the balance of that, let's say you owe $180,000 in principal and all the interest, your tenants are paying for all that. And you guys all understand this since you're all investors. So I don't pay my mortgage on any of my properties. I don't pay my taxes. I don't pay my insurance. I don't pay for repairs. I don't pay for capital expenses. I don't pay for any of that stuff, especially even a property manager. Like, I don't have to get a job to pay for those things. I make sure those are accounted for before I buy the property. My tenants pay for all those things. Now, so happens the money goes into me and then I pay all the bills, but I don't have to get a job for that. Last one of my favorites is tax advantages. One small one is you could defer your tax advantage with a 1031 exchange, selling the property, getting a better property that makes more money for you. But on top of that, depreciation is absolutely amazing. And if you can get to the point where you have that you tell the IRS, because you are a professional real estate investor, your professional status as a real estate investor, you can deduct all your depreciation on your other income that you make in other areas outside of real estate. The tax advantages are absolutely amazing. So if you've never got depreciation on your taxes, get ready. Like, when you scale that business, you have lots of depreciation. My goodness, it's like the government's like, here, please don't give us any money. It's terrific. Okay. Now, I'm not an accountant, so definitely talk to your accountant, but I'm just giving you what other people have told me. Okay. So really quickly, cash flow, equity capture, forced depreciation, market appreciation, mortgage buy down, and tax advantages. Now, in all of this, because we create a business, we make sure that this business is going to be making us money.